Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of viewing all the pages you have followed and unfollowed on Facebook. This feature allows you to keep track of your interactions with different accounts. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then select Install to begin the download. Step 2. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the Facebook app. Sign in using your credentials. Step 3. On the main screen, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find a gear icon next to a magnifying glass icon. Tap on the gear icon. Step 5. Scroll down to find Activity Log under the Your Activity section. Tap on it to access your activity history. Step 6. Inside the Activity Log, tap on Activity History. Then tap on Filters and select Categories. Step 7. In the Categories menu, tap on Connections to open a submenu. Look for Followers and tap on it. Step 8. Finally, tap on Who You've Followed and Unfollowed to see the list of pages you have followed and unfollowed. This will provide you with a comprehensive history of your interactions with different accounts. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your followed and unfollowed pages list on Facebook. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy page management.